Hey guys, it's Rachel from Redo and Renew by Rachel, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to take this boring cement crock and make it into something useful to use in our kitchen. I'm going to be using Paint Couture's Flexible Casting Resin in the color Ivory to create a fun trim that will add that extra pop to the crock. When I'm making any kind of molds, I like to do them ahead of time because they do need time to cure before you can use them. The flexible casting resin takes about 4 hours or so before you're able to remove them. But once you do, look how fun they are. Now I'm going to go ahead and place my trim where I want it to be on the crock. To adhere this trim, you can use whatever you want. I prefer using super glue. It's easier for me as long as I don't super glue my fingers together, which can happen a lot. But I like using super glue, and it works really good in my opinion. So we're just going to make our way around until we completely secure the trim. Now that the trim is secured, we are going to go move on to the next step. I'm using Paint Couture's Premium Plus 2-in-1 primer in the color gray to give the paint something to stick to. Next is the fun part, adding some color. I'm using Paint Couture's Mineral Paint in the color Opulence. I'm obsessed with this green. It is just so beautiful. After doing 2 coats of green, we are ready for our final step. I'm going to be using Paint Couture's Glaze in the color Van Dyke Brown just to give it some dimension because I feel like the green is just too plain. A little bit of glaze goes a long way. I'm just going to add some to my brush and dab some off on a piece of cardboard and just go to town and have fun with it. I like to spritz the glaze with a little bit of water to give it a more workable time frame so I can make sure I achieve the look that I want. Look how beautiful this turned out. I love it so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.